This problem is about interpreting a histogram. So we've got these different amounts of, what are they, rats doing an experiment, and then we have to figure out what percentage, right? So that's what we're being asked to really engage with. What percentage of the rats navigating the maze in less than 5.5 minutes? So first I need to locate 5.5 minutes. Of course, that's halfway between 5 and 6. So that focuses my attention here. Yep, sorry. That focuses my attention here, right at the boundary between 5 and 6. So, if I'm not thinking well, I might just count the first bar, but of course it was less than 5.5. So that's all 4 of these bars, right? And if I'm really not thinking, I might do something like add up 2, 3, 4, and 5, but I'm thinking about this. So I'm realizing, oh yeah, histograms just show the whole in these separate bars. So here I can measure sideways and see there's 4 here, and I check 6 here, 8 here, and then this one over here, halfway between 2 and 4. I also see the 3. So now I know what 4 numbers to add together in order to get the best result. So that is 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 6 is 17, plus 4 more is 21. So I see that there are 21 rats who score 5, 4, 3, or 2 minutes. However, 21% is not the answer, right? That's there to distract you. It's 21 out of 25 rats, 21 out of 25. And a little bit of work will tell you that's 0.8, which is also, right, 80%, because we're talking in percent today. So that is the correct answer. Ah, sorry, 0.84 and 84%, my mistake. So there we go, right? These other partial answers, 68% is about the 1 standard deviation rule. So that's a number that might pop in your head, but isn't relevant. That's for a large population with a known standard deviation. 60% and 70%, those must be errors that involve not counting enough, right? That'd be 60% would be counting 15. I don't know where that number would come from. And 70% would be, that's something like 17 and a half. I don't really know how you might get that number of rats for the 60% or 70%. Maybe it's just somebody who's trying to eyeball and guesses. But 84% is the answer. And the only reasonable distractor, I think, is 21%. So that's the answer if you're not paying attention. 84% is the real answer. And I don't really understand why those 3 were chosen as distractors. Maybe there weren't other bad answers. If it was me, I probably would have added together the 4 there, the 2 there, and done the answer that corresponds to 6, because that would be somebody confusing medians with how much is below. That kind of strange mixing up of ideas.